Are you looking to strike gold in the business world? Starting a gold business may just be your ticket to success. With its enduring value and timeless allure, gold has always been a coveted asset that holds immense potential for profit. Whether you're an avid collector or simply want to tap into this lucrative market, this video will guide you on how to start a gold business from scratch. So get ready to dig deep into the glittering world of golden opportunities. What you need to start a gold business. Starting a gold business can be an exciting and lucrative venture. However, before diving into this industry, it's important to understand what you need to get started. Here are some key essentials for starting your own gold business. First and foremost, you'll need knowledge about the gold market and the different types of gold available. Familiarize yourself with the various forms of gold such as bullion bars, coins, jewelry, and scrap gold. Understanding how to assess the quality and purity of gold will also be essential in making informed buying decisions. In addition to knowledge, you'll need capital to purchase your initial inventory. Determine how much money you're willing to invest in your business and create a budget accordingly. Keep in mind that prices for gold fluctuate regularly, so having enough funds on hand is crucial. Next, consider where you will source your gold from. Establish relationships with reputable suppliers or consider attending trade shows or auctions where sellers showcase their products. Building trust is vital since reputation plays a significant role in this industry. To ensure legitimacy and credibility for your business, obtain all necessary licenses and permits required by local authorities or governing bodies regarding precious metals trading or operating a retail establishment. Lastly but importantly, think about insurance coverage for protecting both yourself as well as your physical inventory against theft or damage. By considering these key elements, knowledge of the market, capital investment plan, sourcing channels, legal requirements, insuring assets, you'll be better prepared when embarking on your journey into the world of owning a successful gold business. How to sell gold. When it comes to selling gold, there are a few key steps to keep in mind. First and foremost, you need to determine the purity and weight of your gold. This will help you accurately evaluate its worth and set an appropriate price. Next, consider where you want to sell your gold. There are various options available, such as pawn shops, jewelry stores, or online platforms. Each option has its own pros and cons, so do some research to find the best fit for your needs. Once you've chosen a place to sell your gold, make sure you understand their buying process. Some may require appointments or have specific hours of operation. It's also important to check if they offer competitive prices and if they have a reputable track record. Before finalizing any sale, be sure to compare offers from different buyers. By doing this, you can ensure that you're getting the best possible price for your gold. Always remember safety precautions when selling gold in person or online. Protect yourself by choosing trusted buyers with secure payment methods. Selling gold can be a profitable venture if done right. So take these steps into consideration before diving into the market. How to market your gold business. Marketing is a crucial aspect of any business, and the gold industry is no exception. When it comes to marketing your gold business, there are several strategies you can employ to reach your target audience and generate sales. Having a strong online presence is essential in today's digital age. Create a professional website that showcases your products and services. Optimize your website for search engines by using relevant keywords such as gold jewelry or buy gold. This will help potential customers find your business when they search online. In addition to having a website, utilize social media platforms to promote your gold business. Create engaging content that highlights the quality and uniqueness of your products. Share customer testimonials and reviews to build trust with potential buyers. Another effective marketing strategy is networking within the industry. Attend trade shows and conferences where you can connect with suppliers, retailers, and other professionals in the gold industry. Building relationships with these individuals can lead to valuable partnerships or collaborations. Consider offering special promotions or discounts on specific products or during certain periods of time. This can incentivize customers to choose your business over competitors. Don't overlook traditional advertising methods such as print ads or direct mail campaigns targeting local communities interested in purchasing gold jewelry or investment opportunities. By implementing these marketing strategies effectively, you'll be able to increase brand awareness, attract new customers, and ultimately grow your gold business successfully. Starting a gold business can be a lucrative venture for those with the right knowledge and resources. By following these steps, you can set yourself up for success in the gold industry. It's important to understand what you need to start a gold business. This includes obtaining the necessary licenses and permits, securing financing if needed, and establishing relationships with reputable suppliers or miners. Once you have your supplies in place, knowing how to sell gold is crucial. Whether you choose to sell directly to consumers, through an online platform, or to jewelry stores or pawn shops, understanding market prices and having effective negotiation skills will be key. In addition to selling gold effectively, marketing your business is essential for attracting customers. Utilize various strategies such as creating a professional website showcasing your products and services, leveraging social media platforms for advertising purposes, attending trade shows or networking events within the industry. Remember that building trust is vital in this line of business. Always offer fair pricing based on market rates and provide excellent customer service to keep clients coming back. In conclusion, starting a gold business requires careful planning, research, and dedication. It may involve some initial investment but has great potential for profitability. By following these guidelines on what you need to start a gold business and learning how to sell effectively while marketing your brand appropriately will help pave the way towards success in this exciting industry. So don't wait any longer. Take that first step towards launching your own profitable gold business today.